Hello guys, how are you doing? I know it's been a while since I dropped in a video. My name is Elder and please subscribe and like button. And today I just need 2 minutes of you because I want to fix some English mistakes you're probably making all the time. So please subscribe and hit the like button and let's get started. Alright, the first one is mix up I am and I have. Like people say I am a car instead of saying I have a car. Come on, guys, you are not a car. Remember, I am is for who we are, and I have is for things we own. Easy fix, ain't it? So the second mistake is forgetting the third person's S. Like basically, people will say I play football, and then they'll go he play football. Like come on, guys, we have the little S in third person, and we say he plays football, and that's an easy fix. Sounds more natural and more actually fluent. Third mistake is actually the overuse of very. Like people will say, I am, this is very big, and then they'll go, this is very small. Like, come on, we've got better words. We can say huge, we can say tiny. That sounds more strong, short, and actually sounds more fluent. And the fourth one is actually translating directly from your language. Like in Portuguese, we say I have hunger, and in English we say I am hungry. So these little mistakes will make you sound less natural and less fluid. Actually, don't translate word by word. Learn the actual expression. And the last one, but for me, the biggest mistake is staying quiet. Like seriously, like silence is worse than grammar errors. So if you don't speak, you don't improve. So even if you mess up, just talk. You just have to talk to improve. Mistakes are not failures. They are the proof that you are learning anything in life. And so there you go. I am versus I have. Third person's S. The overuse of very, and don't translate word by word. And most importantly, don't stay silent. You have to speak. So these are 5 mistakes, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.